Today I will show you how to document short Excel headers the clean, professional way. I am working with a small dataset that contains 3 economic indicators for 2024. To keep the spreadsheet compact, each variable uses a shortcode as its header. RES for public investment in research as a percentage of GDP, GDPG for the yearly growth rate of real GDP, and INFL for the average annual inflation rate. These shortcodes are efficient, especially when you're working with large datasets or exporting data to other tools, but they're not very explicit. If someone else opens this file, or even if I come back to it months later, it's not immediately obvious what each code means. So today, I will show you how to build a clean, dedicated metadata sheet and link each header directly to its definition. In research, metadata is essential. It tells you what each variable represents, how it was measured, and which year or unit it refers to. But most Excel files don't include proper metadata. People rely on long headers, comments, or external documentation. Instead, we will keep the sheet clean and readable, while storing all the explanations in one place. Start by creating a new sheet and rename it Metadata. In this sheet, create a small table with at least 2 columns, one for the variable code, and one for its full description. This is where you write out the complete meaning of each variable, the unit, the year, and what the number represents. This structure is clean, readable, and easy to maintain. If you add more variables later, you simply extend the table. Now we make the headers interactive. Return to the main sheet, right-click the header RES, choose Link, and point it to the row in the metadata sheet that explains what RES means. This creates a direct connection between the header and its definition. Let's now do the same for GDPG and INFL. Each header becomes a clickable element that takes you straight to the metadata. Now test the links. Clicking on RES takes you directly to its definition. Clicking on GDPG or INFL does the same. This makes your dataset self-documenting. Anyone can understand it instantly. This approach is especially useful when you're working with research datasets, survey data, multi-country or multi-year tables, or any project where clarity and reproducibility matter. Instead of cluttering your main sheet with long headers or comments, you keep everything clean, while still providing full transparency. And that's how you build a clean metadata sheet and link your headers to it. A small step that makes your Excel files far more readable, shareable, and professional. Thank you for watching the video. Please like if you found it helpful.